What's up, that's what what's happening. So let's go in the chart. We broke down this falling wedge, which was a bullish pattern, but we broke this line down, and I told you if we break it down we can start to short Bitcoin, right? So, and if you are right now shorted when we broke it down, you are right now at least 1% profit, 10x average 10%, 20x average over 20% in profits. And right now obviously this line is not anymore valid as a symmetrical, as a falling wedge, and there's a new pattern which we have right now, and it's still a falling wedge. Look at this, it's amazing. 1, 2, 3 touch points, and it's still, you see here, a clear falling wedge. So therefore, bratans, please watch out for it. So obviously this is another, could be a long opportunity. If so, technically it's a long opportunity, and technical price target it's still 20,445, but watch out for this new line, because you see 1, 2, 3 touch points you have to have always, so that it's valid, and as soon as we break it down it's a short opportunity. So it's very clear, either we again waiting until we're breaking here this line to the upside and we start to long, or we're starting already long and with this tight stop loss slightly below, or we're starting to short when we break this line again. So one opportunity is if we break here this line to the upside, so at 19,900 for example, it depends when at this time we're breaking it down. So for example, let's say at 90,950 we break it up, then the first price target would be 20,122, next one is 20,244, next one is 20,370, and the next one is here the top of the wedge, 20,450, 2.5%, 10x average 25%, 20x average 50% long opportunity if we break this line to the upside. For the professionals one, it could be even right now a long opportunity because we're in a bullish pattern, and then there's obviously even 4.5%, 10x average 45, 20x average 90%, but it's obviously much more risky, because you saw in the video in the morning which I told you, it was also bullish pattern, but we broke it down, so it's not a guarantee, it's only a probability. Therefore, either you long right now, make stop loss slightly below this line, or you wait till we break this line, the upper line, for long. And for short, if we break this line to the down line to the downside, then we can start to short Bitcoin further. So if we break here 90,450 for example, we can start to short Bitcoin first, and Ethereum and all the altcoins. 19,300 first one, next one 19,180, and next one would be here our yellow line at around 18,980. It's 2.4%, 10x average 24%, 20x average over 48% short opportunity if we break this line to the downside. So very clear, if we break this line to the downside, we are shorting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. If we break this upper line to the upside, we are longing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. And for the professionals ones, we could also right now long with the stop loss slightly below. Nothing is financial advice, only my opinion and what I'm doing. And don't forget, on Bybit you can get through my affiliate link, you get $4,620 bonus instead of $400 only through my affiliate link. After initial deposit you can get this money. If you don't have initial deposit, you get still free access to my Discord and Telegram channel if you're trading through my affiliate link. So make sure you don't miss out of my Telegram and Discord channel, bratans. If you're trading through my affiliate link, you're supporting me and I'm supporting you for free access to my channels, right? So very clear. Watch out for Ethereum price targets you have. You can watch the video from the morning. There I spoke about the Ethereum price targets, which are still valid, and what is very important right now to watch S&P 500, because the stock market opened and we opened with a dump, right? So we opened with dump and we heavily oversold. So therefore I'm expecting here some that we will see some consolidation or a breakout to the upside. 1 hourly also is heavily, not heavily, but oversold, and 4 hourly is also oversold. So please watch out for it. I'm expecting here that we see at least some consolidation or pump in the S&P 500, and this would cause also Bitcoin to pump, right? Because you see Bitcoin is also heavily oversold on a 15-minute. On the 1 hourly we are heavily oversold, and the 4 hourly getting also oversold. So I'm expecting here, to be honest, that we will see some, at least a consolidation or pump, and the same we see in the S&P 500. So I expecting all in all that we will see a consolidation or even a pump. So however, it's not a guarantee, bratans, so please do your own research, very, very important. And today was revealed the how it called, the unemployment numbers. Wait a minute, unemployment, I just let me quickly check, because this is the reason. Yes, unemployment rate fell to 3.5% in September as labor market added 263. It's for annual jobs, keeping pressure on the Fed. The jobs rises falls to unemployment falls to, or is it increasing? Yeah, no, it's falling, but it makes, yes, I know, I have to make my research, but it's please, if you know it better, write me down below. But the thing is, it's a positive news, right? It's a positive news, that's right. But the thing is, why it's make even more pressure to the Fed, it is because usually when the inflation rises, the unemployment has also to rise. But right now the unemployment is falling, so that means we are going into a stagflation. This is the problem, in my opinion. This is also the reason I think for this down, but I have to do my own research again. Please do your also research. However, it doesn't matter for us, because what matters that we see very clear which line broken down, then we are shorting, so the down line, or we break the upper line from this falling wedge to the upside, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Apecoin, and all the altcoins. So very clear in my opinion, the long and short opportunities. But do your own research also on the news, because this might help you if you're trading. So, bratans, I kiss you, and I fly right now back to Berlin, and I love you, and I kiss you, and I see you later, and give me a kiss. Mwah.